Garage organization in Austin, Texas is essential for homeowners looking to maximize their space. With Austin Garage Organization Services, you can transform your cluttered garage into a functional and efficient area. Our Garage Clean Out Austin expert team specializes in garage sorting, garage shelving, and garage cabinet installation to ensure every item has its place. For those dealing with excessive clutter, our Austin Garage Decluttering Services offer comprehensive solutions. We provide garage hoarding help and garage item sorting to tackle even the most challenging spaces. Our decluttering services are designed to make your garage a clean and organized environment. Junk removal is a crucial part of maintaining a tidy garage. Our Garage Junk Removal Austin services handle everything from garage waste disposal to garage debris removal. We ensure that all unwanted items are removed efficiently, leaving your garage clean out Austin and clutter-free. Space optimization is key to a successful garage makeover. Our Austin Garage Space Optimization services focus on garage space utilization and garage space planning. We use innovative storage solutions, such as garage wall storage and garage storage bins, to maximize every inch of your garage. Garage cleaning services. Austin are essential for maintaining a pristine environment. Our team provides thorough garage floor cleaning and garage cleanup services to keep your space spotless. We also offer garage waste management and garage recycling services to ensure environmentally friendly disposal of unwanted items. For those looking to donate items, our Garage Item Donation Austin services make it easy. We handle the logistics of garage item donation, ensuring your unwanted items find a new home. This service is perfect for those who want to declutter while giving back to the community. Garage makeovers in Austin are a popular choice for homeowners seeking a fresh start. Our Garage Makeover. Austin services include garage tool organization and garage cabinet installation Austin. We create a customized plan to transform your garage into a space that meets your needs. Garage storage solutions in Austin are designed to cater to every homeowner's needs. From garage storage bins Austin to garage wall storage, we offer a variety of options to keep your items organized. Our Austin Garage storage solutions are tailored to fit your specific requirements. Garage cleaning in Austin, Texas is more than just tidying up. Our garage cleaning services Austin include garage floor cleaning and garage waste management Austin. We ensure your garage is not only clean but also safe and functional. Austin Garage space planning is essential for effective space utilization. Our Garage Clean Out Austin team specializes in garage space utilization. Austin, creating a layout that maximizes your available space. With our expertise, your garage will be both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Garage waste disposal. Austin is handled with care and efficiency. Our services include garage debris removal, Austin, and garage recycling services. We ensure that all waste is disposed of responsibly, keeping your garage and the environment clean. Garage tool organization is a vital part of maintaining an efficient workspace. Our Austin Garage Tool Organization Services provide solutions for storing and organizing your tools. With our help, you'll have easy access to all your equipment.